Good morning, everybody. It's Rob Moffat. Guys, today on Affordable Eats, we're going to be making a miso soup. The interesting thing about the soup nut is that it's very tasty and it's relatively inexpensive, but also it's a probiotic. The miso soup has some miso. Uh, this is the paste that goes into the soup, and it has a culture in there. There's microbes that help repopulate your culture. If you have been taking antibiotics or something, and you don't have a lot of good bugs left in your stomach, this is something that will help, as will the parmesan that we're going to be adding. Although you might want to get a better grade of parmesan that might have more culture. But this is an interesting soup, not just for the taste or the low cost, but also because it's a probiotic. It's something that's very healthy for you. And we're going to be making it in the microwave, which a lot of people don't do, and adding some other ingredients. So it can't be any more simpler. We're going to add 3/4 cup of water. This particular brand is called Miko. I'm not sure if I trust this brand. They've only been making it since 1662, which is about 361 years ago. So I would prefer to have someone who has more experience that have been making it for perhaps longer, maybe for several thousand years, instead of just, the last few hundred. I imagine they got it right by now. They have they have 5 different flavors that come in this package. They have tofu, green onion, fried bean curd, wakame seaweed, and the spinach. We're going to be using the seaweed today. After you add your water, these are the ingredients that are going to go in the microwave. Now, this looks like nothing. This looks like something that got spilled on the floor and it's underneath the cupboard somewhere. How is that soup? Well, you're going to be surprised. We're going to add a few dried macaronies, and that's it. We're going to put it into the microwave for 3.5 minutes. So this is the miso soup after it was in the microwave. You don't have to have it in the microwave. You can use just plain boiling water. But here's where people make a mistake. They add the miso paste and it's super hot. I like to get my soup to cool down to about 110, 112. Then if you add the paste, it won't kill the culture. So also the macaronis will cook a little bit longer. So let that cool down. We'll use our thermometer just a minute and check on it. The lower it is, the more you're going to have less problems with killing the culture. And this is fermented bean paste is what it is. This gives a very interesting flavor that after a while, it becomes something very, not addictive, but it has a very subtle uh, flavor that's very rich. And after you eat it for a while, you get to feeling like soup should have this flavor. Why isn't your soup tasting like this? So very quick. Oh, I forgot. We're going to add just a little bit of parmesan. This also has a culture in it that will help repopulate the good bacteria in your stomach, allegedly, according to Dr. Google. So here we go, guys. If you're wanting to make an interesting, inexpensive, low-cost, quick soup, you want to give this a try. Just add a few noodles. When you're done, add a little bit of parmesan. And you've got a healthy, tasty, broth-based soup that's good for you. All right, guys. Affordable eats. Pretty affordable. Take care. See you out there.